during the World War II.
Oy,
Hi.
Rick.
Uy, kasi ka.
Alam ko sa sentro?
My cousin, right?
Hello.
Cheryl Damaso.
Yan.
Gusto naglako ka lang?
Hindi, oo, kasi gusto ko
Oo, kareho ko tando ah. Next time,
Papunta doon, nag-tricycle ako pa uwi. Nilalakay ko kasi nagsimba ako sa
Yeah.
St. Raphael.
Hmm.
Parang nakakamiss, di ba? Kailangan
Totoo yan.
lakarin mo.
Sabi ko nga dito sa vlog, I used to walk even when I was still a kid. Tapos meron akong trivia. Sabi ko, did you know guys and girls, for how many days or months or weeks you will consume when you walk from here to Bicol up to Manila? Can you guess kung pirang kung pirang...
Nakakapagod yun.
O di, lang, just for fun. Sa iling mo, I'm gonna ask her guys and girls for how many days or months to consume on going back to Manila. Mga pira sa iling mo ang weeks or months pag naglakaw ka lang.
Hindi ko ma-imagine.
Hindi,
Pero mga
just make some guess.
Kasi hindi ko naisip
Just for fun,
yun.
just for fun.
Pero, siguro abutin ng mga 2 weeks or what. Kasi, syempre,
Sige
patigil-tigil ka.
lang. I'll give you 2 guesses. So, first guess mo, pira.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. O yung last guess mo.
Tigil-tigil ka. 1 week. Kaya
Oh,
na
gosh.
siguro.
Okay, so you're wrong. Guys, you know what? For how many days according to my grandmother?
Nilakad ba niya?
Yeah, during World War
Spanish
II.
time.